Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can start. Good
Okay.
evening, sir.
Yeah, hi, good evening. So, you are in India or France right now?
No, sir, we are
Okay.
living in France right
Okay,
now,
okay, okay.
but we are from India.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That I can recognize from the name. Okay, good. So, see, we'll start now with our first lecture, right? So, first you tell me, like, I told you to watch any of the video on WhatsApp. So, did you get time to watch that?
Okay, sir.
I'm asking, did you watch it or not?
Yes, sir. I watched a video of alphabets,
Mm-hmm.
um, but I have to practice more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That we'll do now, right? Just for an idea, I was asking you to watch. So tell me, like, what is the exact requirement, and both of you want to learn, or only you want to learn?
No, sir. I want to learn because my son is learning French now, but I want to learn because I want to make him learn German also, and
Okay, okay,
we want to shift in Germany.
okay,
So
okay,
this is
okay,
why I want to learn
okay,
German.
okay. And sir, what about you? You are not learning. You are not planning to learn.
Actually, sir, I did MCA, and I was a teacher in India, but
Okay.
now a long time
Mm-hmm.
I have done nothing.
Okay, 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 okay. So you are planning to move to Germany, right? For that you are planning to
Yes,
learn. Okay, okay.
Uh, okay. Sorry, sir, to interrupt you.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want to just clarify something.
yeah, yeah. Tell
Uh,
me.
I'm working in Sun here, and we were thinking that we will move next year in Germany.
Okay,
I will not means I don't have any difficulty to get a job in Germany.
okay, okay,
Means in my profiles, and I
oh,
don't think so.
okay,
I will need any German language
okay,
right now, means
okay.
before applying or something. I will
Yeah, yeah. That's
learn after when I will join.
sure,
But I
sure.
want to become that she will learn
Mm-hmm.
means some German language,
Mm-hmm.
and actually she is MCA, and
Yeah.
she is well qualified. So
Okay.
I was
Mm-hmm.
uh, that when we will move to Germany, then she will get some job there
Okay. Okay. Okay.
based on the German language skills.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So, so I'm thinking that she will complete A1, A2, B1, at least
Mm-hmm.
B1 level, up to
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
B1.
Yeah. That's fine. No
So,
problem. No problem. So we can start now. Okay. So I think
okay.
only
okay,
she
sir.
will be joining the demo class, right? You will not be there. All right.
Okay.
No, I am not there.
So
I'm going for my work.
okay. Okay. No problem. No
Work,
problem. Then
work from. Okay,
no
thanks.
worries. No worries. Then we will discuss later. Okay. Let me take her demo. Then if you have any queries, you can again ask me on phone after the class. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Right?
thanks.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, so I am sharing my screen, right? The way you have seen the video, right? Something like that will be doing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see, the very first lecture which we start in when we are learning a language now, we have to start first of all start with the pronunciation. Okay. You understand
Yes.
pronunciation? What is that ABCD? What are the sounds? Okay, so just
Okay.
like you have, when you learn English, you learn first of all the ABCD, the letters and the
Yes.
numbers. Okay,
Yes.
and then we learn some new words, and then slowly we frame some sentences. So like that, in German also, first of all, you have to learn the letters which are used here. Okay, the same letters are there which you are seeing in the English, same ABCD is there, but the
Yes.
names are different, the sounds are different.
Okay.
Okay, we don't speak German words the way we speak English. The sounds are different, the names of letters are different. So they look same, but the sounds are totally different.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so first of all, what I am doing, I am playing one video that is a German ABCD video. You might have seen in that demo class also, which I have given you, right?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, let me play this. I am playing this video. No need to write down anything. All this video, PDF, everything I will be sharing with you today itself. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
later you can download and you can keep on listening to it multiple times, right? I'm playing one video. Try to understand this. I'll play it two times. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V
Y, und Z.
Once again, listen to it.
Okay, sir.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, that is the
Sir.
German ABCD.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Please pronounce Y again.
Yeah, that we'll discuss. Start from the beginning. Okay, so now you have to repeat the letters with me. Speak A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D,
A, F, G.
A, F, G,
H, I, J, K.
A, I, J, K,
Ha. Okay.
Ha,
H is
Ha.
Ha, I,
Okay.
J, K.
A, I, J, K.
Ma'am, it is not A. It is Ha. हमारा वाला Ha. Ha, I, J, K.
Okay. Ha, I, J, K.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Correct. Then Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
Yeah. X, Y und Z.
X, Epsilon, Z.
Z. Okay.
Z.
Right.
Okay.
X, Y und Z.
X, Epsilon, Z.
Yeah. So Y is Epsilon. Okay.
Epsilon.
Speak
Okay,
Y
sir.
is Epsilon.
Epsilon,
And Z is Z.
Z.
Okay. When I say
Okay,
X,
sir.
Y und, this und means and. Okay. The
Okay,
way we
sir.
speak in English, na X, Y, and Z. So
Yes,
like that we
yes.
see X, Y und Z.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Simple. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So repeat again with me. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D,
A, F, G.
A, F, G,
H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K.
Okay. H, I, J, K. Then next is L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
X, Y und Z.
X, Epsilon, und Z.
Okay. Now clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I am sending you this video, right?
Okay.
You can download it later and you can listen to it. So see where you will be required. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Renu.
Renu. So whenever you go, let's say you go to some German office, some government office, and the person there, he might not be knowing English. Okay. So he will ask you to tell the letters of your name. If you say RENU, he will not understand because he does not understand English. Okay.
Yes,
So you
sir.
have to speak the German letters. R, how do we say? Air. Then
Yes,
A. Okay. याद है? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay.
Yeah.
So A. Then N.
N,
U.
U.
Okay. Speak again. Air.
R,
A. N.
N,
U.
U.
And surname is Shama.
Okay,
Right. So S.
R,
S.
A, N, U.
N. U. S.
S,
Ha.
A,
Ha.
Ha. G, Ha.
A.
A,
Air.
R,
M.
M,
M.
A.
Slowly. इतना जल्दी मत करो. M.
M,
A.
A.
Okay. Now speak the full name once again. Renu Sharma. Speak the letters of your name full in the German letters. Okay. Try.
R, R,
A. Slowly. Not
A.
A.
R, 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 A, N, S, H, A, R, M, A.
Okay. Right. अब सर का नाम try to pronounce his letters. Start. Rajesh Sharma. Speak that. P.
R, A, J, A, S, A,
Ha.
S, H, A, R, M, A.
M. A. Okay. Okay. Good. Now I am giving you one more. Okay. Yeah. Try this.
R, U,
O.
R, O,
Hmm.
Ha,
Hmm.
I,
Hmm.
Te, G, Ge,
Gay. ABCD AF gay. Gay.
Ge, U,
Hmm.
Pe, Te, A.
Okay, good. Fine. So this is clear now. Everything.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now see, these are the names of letters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
These are the names of letters. These are not the sounds. Na? See, what I am saying is, if you see your name, you speak Renu, right?
Yes, sir.
You don't speak RENU.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
When let's say my name is Raman, you will call me Raman. You will not call me RAMAN. Getting?
Yes.
RAMAN
Yes.
to the name of letter, right? RAMAN is the name of letter. Now we have to see the sound. Ki R sound is R, A sound is A. So ye na, this becomes something like Raman, like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we have to see the sounds of these letters. So I am opening one file. Try to understand this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of letters. Roman letters, what are the Roman set of letters? The same ABCD which we have in English, as it is. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So there are basically two parts. First part is the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and second part is the consonants B, C, D till Z.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Now
Yes.
the thing is, whenever any word ending with B, D, and G, okay, any word ending with B, D, and G, the sound in the end is per, and ka.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Whenever any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, and G, the respectively the sound will be per, and ka. So speak this example. GIB. Speak this.
Give,
Geep. Geep.
give,
Okay. Then next KIND speak.
kid,
Kint.
kind,
Kint. Next TAG speak. Tak. Okay. Geep, Kint, and Tak. Okay. Whenever any word ending with B, D, and G, respectively the sound will be per, and ka. Geep, Kint, and Tak.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Geep means give. Kint is child, and Tak is day.
Okay, sir.
Right. So meanings we are not covering right now. Later we'll see the meanings. Okay. Right now just focus on the sounds only.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now let's start with A. A is having two sounds. Okay. A is having
Yes.
two sounds, A and A. There are two sounds, A and A. So speak the, what is the rule? The rule is, see, after A, if it is one consonant, what is consonant? These letters are called as consonant. These B, C,
Yes.
D till Z. Okay. Vowels and consonants. So after A, you have to do the counting. You have to do the countings of the consonants coming after A. You have
Yes.
to do the counting of the consonants coming after A. So see the first example, ALT. See the first example, ALT. Tell me how many consonants after A?
सर ये इस पे वो उसका सर आ रहा है एक ही बार.
Okay, LT.
है.
Only two are
LT.
there, right?
Two.
In
Yes,
the
sir.
first one, only two are there. So now hold on. See, FRAGEN. After A, how many?
There is one constant.
Only one. Directly only one. Directly only G. Right?
Yes, sir.
As though we have N also, but that will not count
Yes.
because I told you to count them directly. Right?
Yes, sir.
After A only one G, then it is a vowel. So we'll stop the counting. Only one is there.
Okay, sir.
Right? Only one. Next TRAGEN. How many directly?
There is only one.
Only one. Good. So now the rule is after A if it is one consonant. Okay.
Yes,
After
sir.
A if
Then
it is one
it will pronounce
consonant. Yeah, it will have A sound. Otherwise it will have the A sound. Okay.
sir.
So try this example. This is alt. Speak.
Alt.
Alt. Then next.
Alt.
Hmm.
Dragon.
Fragan. Very good. Next.
Dragon.
Tragan. Very good. Okay. Simple now. Alt. Fragan and Tragan. Then E. E is having the A sound. Okay.
A.
E is having the A sound. Right. There is no counting. Just it is having the A sound. So speak the example. SN and egal.
Egal.
Right. SN and
Egal.
egal. See after A one consonant. This is egal. A. Right.
Okay,
SN and egal. Next is I. Okay. Next is I. I is having two sounds. Long E and short E. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I is having two sounds. Long E and short E. Again the same story. You have to do the countings. Okay. You have to do the countings. After I, if it is one consonant, it will have long E sound. Otherwise, it will have the short E sound.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So speak the example. First example.
East,
This is ist. Ist.
east. Yes, sir. East.
Right. Ist. Then wider. Speak here.
Wider. Wider.
Right.
Yes, sir. Build.
Wider.
Build.
Wider. After I one consonant, long e.
Yes, sir. Wider.
Yeah.
Build.
Next is
Build.
built. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after I, if it is one consonant, it will have the long E sound. Otherwise, it will have the short E sound. So if you see here, GIB. After I, only one consonant. After I, only one consonant, that is having the long E sound. Having the long E sound, that becomes geep. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Geep. And next is KIND. After I, it is two consonants, so kind.
Yes, sir. Then kind.
Okay, good. Next TAG, that is talk.
Talk.
Right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. AEI. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, it will have the O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
Yes, sir.
Okay, getting? Otherwise, O for awesome. After O, if it is one consonant, it will have the O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
Yes, sir.
Okay, simple. Yeah.
Yes.
So speak the example. First example. Order.
Order.
Next.
Sorry. Mouse pointer. SO. Double L. Sol.
Zol. Monad. Corp. Okay. Corp. Good. Next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound. So speak the example.
Wool.
Tun.
Mutter. Shoes.
Shoe. SCH is sha. Okay. SCH is sha. H in the end is silent. That becomes shoe.
Okay, sir.
Okay, got it? Tone, mutter and shoe. Right? Okay. So
If
first
the H is in the last, then
silent.
it will be.
It is silent.
No
Everywhere it is silent. Only in the first position it is having the her sound. Rest everywhere. Even in the middle it will be silent. Okay?
Okay.
So first of all, what I am doing now, I am sending you this PDF file. Right? You download this file and revise the letters from A, E, I, O, U for 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Come to your Skype chat. I send the file on Skype. Check your Skype chat. Check your Skype chat once. Yeah.
So I am clicking, but
I'll send you hi there. See, you will get notification on top right corner.
yes, sir.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So download that file in your system.
Yes, sir. It is downloaded.
Yeah. Download the file and revise the letters from A, E, I, O, U for 5 minutes on your own. Okay. After 5 minutes, we will again start from the top and you will explain me all the rules of A, E, I, O, and U. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Revise it for 5 minutes. Yeah.
Hello? Hello? क्या मीटिंग डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई क्या? देख लो तो सुनिए प्रोटोकॉल नेक्स्ट रीजन के लिए
हो गया रीजन?
चल रही है ना?
हाँ मीटिंग तो चल रही है। हो गया रिवाइज? बोल दो सर को।
हेलो?
इसमें चैट का भी ऑप्शन होगा? समझा होगा ना सर ने? ऐसे भेज दो।
I heard well.
अभी सर ने ऑफ किया हुआ है।
अच्छा
देख पा रहे?
Revised all A E I O U vowels.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So start from the sheet now. Okay. You can see my screen
Yes, sir.
and start the rules. Okay. Explain me the rule and then explain me the example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If B, D, C are coming at the end of the word, that it will become respectively P, T, K.
Pataka
And-
sound. Yeah. Example.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And these are the example for example GIB,
Yeah.
Z,
Geep, geep, ga, ga, geep.
Gape,
Hmm.
Gape,
Hmm.
Kit,
Hmm.
Kint,
Hmm.
Kent, and Tak.
Yeah. Geep, kint, and tak.
Tak. If the A is after A is coming before one constant, then it will pronounce A, and if there is more than one constant after A, then it is A.
Hmm.
And so
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
after it
I.
A.
Okay.
A is pronounced A as an eagle,
Hmm.
and then I.
No, wait. Slowly. Not egal. This is egal. Speak egal. Okay.
Egal, yes sir,
Yeah.
egal.
Hmm.
And I, if I is coming before single constant, then it is pronounced E, means a long sound. And if it is there are more than one constant, then it is pronounced E.
Yeah. Correct. Ist, wieder, and build.
Is and weeder.
And build.
Yes.
Last one is built.
Build.
Yeah. Next.
And after it, sir.
Yeah. After is A O. After I it is O. Okay.
Yes, sir. Same here. If one after O is there is one constant, then it pronounce O. And if there is more than one constant, then it pronounce U.
O and O. No, wait. O and O. Okay.
O and O.
O for awesome. O for awesome. Okay.
O. O. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
For example, order
Hmm.
and Zol. Zol.
Zol. Yeah.
All. Zol. Zol.
Zol. Yeah.
Zol.
Hmm.
Net
Hmm.
and core.
Correct.
Core. Yes, sir. And same in U is pronounced U.
U. Okay. Oder, Zol, Monad, and Corp. Okay. Repeat again. Oder, Zol, Monad, and Corp.
Zol, Monad, and core.
Correct. Good. Next.
O pronounced U.
O is
Dun.
no, not U. U. It is U, not O. U is U.
U.
Okay.
U.
Yes. U.
Pronounced U.
Hmm.
Tun,
Hmm.
mutter,
Hmm.
or shoe.
Tun, mutter, and shoe.
Shoe.
Okay. SCH is
Yes.
sure. Okay. SCH is sure,
Yes.
and H in the middle or end it is silent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simple. Good. Okay. Good. Shoe. Next is the consonant B. Okay. Next is the consonant B. So B in the end is per. From the table BDGPTK, B in the end is per, right? And beginning or middle it is B for Bombay.
Okay.
Okay. Beginning or middle it is B for Bombay.
If it comes at the last, then it will be
Per.
P.
It will be per. Okay.
Per.
Yes, exactly. So speak these examples which are written there.
Balen.
Belen. Okay.
Belen.
Ben.
Ben.
Next. Oben.
Corp. Zip.
Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Gip.
Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Simple.
Okay, sir.
Right. Tell me any doubt till here.
Yes, sir.
Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Gip.
Good. Next is C. C is having the K sound. Okay. C is having the K sound. Right?
Yes, sir.
So speak this example, camping. They have taken this word from English, so you can just simply say camping.
Camping.
Okay, good, correct. Next, after that, D. D in the end is T. Know the table BDGPTK. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So D
Yes, sir.
in the end is T, and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay.
Yes, sir.
D in the end is T, beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak this example written there.
Doom.
And
And
now see one very important point. This EI is a vowel combination. Okay. EI is a vowel combination. EI sound is I. Got it?
Yes.
EI sound is I.
I.
Okay.
By the होगा sir या?
By the. Yeah, good. You are speaking good. By the speak. By the.
By.
Okay.
Wider.
By the. B. By the. Okay.
Wider. And then after it, wider.
Wider. Next is Bart. Next is Bart. See D in the end, na? D in the
yes.
end. D in the end is T.
Haunt.
Okay. D in the end is T. Got it?
Bart and haunt.
Very good. Doom, Bida, Vidar, Bart, and Hunt. Okay. Tell me any doubt till here.
Sir, EI and EI both pronounce?
EI is I is E. Okay?
Okay.
EI is I is E.
E.
Okay. Got it now? Doom, Bida, Vidar, Bart, and Hunt. Tell me any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No? Simple? Okay, good.
Yes.
Then next is F. See, these vowel combinations are very important. This EI, I, these vowel combinations are very important. Okay. This you will see in the second lecture. After we finish till Z, then I will take this topic of vowel combinations.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next after this is F. F is the normal football, for football, right? Sound. For football, sound. So speak the example. This again vowel combination. AU is ow. Okay. AU is ow. Yes.
Foul.
Good. Foul.
Shove. And sir, then G.
Yeah. Yeah, geep.
G.
Foul and sharp. Okay, next is G. G. So G in the end is K, beginning or middle is G for gun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? G in the end is K, beginning or middle is G for gun. So speak the example. Gegen.
Gegen.
Hmm.
Talk.
Gegen,
And
then Tag.
clock. Clock.
Klug, not clock. See,
Klug.
one thing. This is the actual word. Blue color is the word. Okay. Right hand side, third one. This is the meaning, and in the middle, this is the sound. So you don't have to refer this middle value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have to refer this left hand side value only. This is the actual word, and the rightmost. This is the meaning. Clear?
Meaning.
ये middle में ना I have written the sounds. After the class, if you want to revise something like this, you have to speak tak, kluk, gegen. So I have written the sound here. So you leave this middle column. Okay, don't see this. You see only first column only. Gegen, tak, and kluk.
Okay, sir.
Okay, gegen, tak, and kluk till G. Clear? Everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next is H. H is very important. Okay, H in the beginning is her. Okay.
Yes, sir.
H in the beginning is her, middle or and it is silent. Middle or and it is silent. Got it? So speak the first example.
Halt.
Halt.
Gain.
Gain. Very good. Next.
Zen.
Halt, gain and zen.
Yes, sir. Halt.
Got it now? Halt, gain and zen. Tell me, any doubt till here?
No.
No? Okay.
No, but I have to practice.
Yeah. See, today na it is the first lecture, so obviously you need some time. You need some time to revise and to read these rules multiple times. Then only you will be able to retain. So today that's why I'm going slow, right? No need to worry. Don't think that in just 10-15 minutes you will be able to retain. Just take your time. After the class, you study for 1.5 hours, then you will be able to retain everything. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
go slowly in the beginning. Once you are comfortable, then we'll increase the speed. Next is
Yes.
J. J is having the year sound. Speak the example.
Young.
Yunga.
Young.
Okay.
Young.
Yunga.
Yes.
Yunga. E in the end is Yunga. Okay.
Younger. Yes.
Yeah. Then next is KLMNP Kala Manapa. Okay. KLMNP
Yes.
Kala Manapa. Speak the example.
Class, sir.
Classer.
Class, sir.
Hmm.
Shin.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Hmm.
Killer.
Hmm. Hmm.
Well.
Very good. Will. Atman.
And swim. Renan. Ravan.
Okay.
And Lippe.
Yeah, brown and then leper. Okay. Tell me any doubt till here?
Yes, sir.
No.
No problem, sir. But
Yeah.
I mean that I have to practice.
Yeah. So now you download the file again, same file. Okay. Revise everything till this P, and then we'll again revise everything from ABCD. We'll revise everything from the beginning. Okay.
Yes.
We will revise the names of letters also, and then we'll revise till P. So just go through the consonant from B to P in 2-3 minutes. Let me know once you have revised, and then we'll start everything from the top again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Let me know once you've done. Revise it quickly in 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Consent B. If T is at the last, it will be. If it is at the starting, it is.
Yeah, ready now? Done all?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do now is start from the top, from the first letter. Only the examples you have to speak from this Geep Kin Tak. Okay? Start from here. Start. Geep. Only examples.
Okay, sir. Give, kint, talk,
Hmm.
and
Alt.
alt,
Hmm.
fragen,
Hmm.
fragen.
Very good.
Isen,
SN.
e,
SN. Slowly, slowly, slowly. SN.
SN, egal,
Egal.
egal.
Hmm.
East,
Hmm.
wieder,
Hmm.
build.
Built. Okay, good. Yeah. Next. Order.
Order, कौशल स्व swallow,
Hmm.
monet,
Monarch.
corp, monad, corp,
Hmm.
tun,
Hmm.
mutter,
Mutter.
shoe, mutter, shoe,
Okay. Yeah. Next.
belen,
Hmm.
oben,
Hmm.
corp,
Hmm.
gip,
Geep. Very good. Next. C.
see,
Camping.
campaign,
Camping. They have taken this word from English now. So camping.
campaign,
Okay. Hmm.
campaign.
Yeah. Next. D.
D, doom,
Hmm.
bed, bed, bed,
Biter.
bed,
Doom.
last,
Bider.
better,
Hmm.
wider,
Weeder.
bard,
Weeder. Hmm.
feeder, bard,
Hmm.
hunt,
Hunt. Very good. Next. F.
fall,
Hmm.
foul,
Hmm.
show,
Foul and then shaft.
sharp,
Okay. Hmm.
gegen,
Hmm.
dark,
Hmm.
kluk,
Next. Good. Gegentag and Kluk. Next. H.
halt,
Hmm.
zig, gaze, gain,
Hmm.
say, season, say,
Zain.
say,
Halt, Gain and Zain.
Zain,
Okay.
yes, sir. And J is pronounced Y. Then
Hmm.
it's
Yeah, Yunga, Yunga.
Jung.
No, not
Jung.
Y. Yeah, yeah. Yunga.
Yeah. Jung.
Hmm.
Jung.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, next KLMNP, cluster.
Classic. Chicken.
Hmm.
Killer.
Hmm.
Will. Or Ottoman.
Hmm.
Swim.
Swim.
Shivam.
Swim.
Swim.
Hmm.
And brown.
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 Hmm.
Lipper.
Hmm.
Lip.
Okay, brown and lipper. Very good. Okay. So today what we have done the letters from A till P.
P.
Okay.
Yes.
We have done the
Yes.
letters from A till P. I have sent you this PDF file also, right?
Yes, sir.
So you revise that. In the next class, what we'll be doing? We'll doing the remaining letters from Q till Z, and then we will be doing the vowel combinations. So 2-3 combinations we have seen today, like SCH and that EI, IE and AU.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
4 combinations you saw today, right? So around 20-21 are there, and that is the most important part of this pronunciation. So that we'll see in the next class. So see, initially what happens, initially once you start a language, you might find some difficulty in speaking. Okay, so wait for
Yes.
1 or 2 lectures, revise the rules. Once we have done these rules, then we'll be. Let me show you. See here, we'll be doing this kind of reading practice. So you will become very much perfect, and you whatever text is there in front of you, you will be able to read this. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like this, no, like this, I'll make you practice the text in the next class. So after that, any German text you can pick up, any website, newspaper, whatever, you will be able to speak that loud and with confidence. Okay, so that confidence comes only with practice. Initially on your own you cannot do that, because the problem in this language is, you have seen today, they write something else, they speak something else.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the only thing, right? Because we are from English background, so if the sounds are not matching like English, then obviously you will make a mistake while speaking. So you need to understand the rules first, learn the rules, practice small words, and then practice these kind of paragraphs. Then you will become very much confident, and it's like only one time effort. Once you have done that, you will
Yes,
see
sir.
after that, you will never, throughout your life, you will never forget these rules, right? So, and you will be able to correct others also, right? So these are that is the benefit of these rules. So today we have not done all, we have done only like 50% only today. Okay, so from today, you don't start speaking, don't start reading outside, wait for one more class, and after that, once we practice this much, then you can take as much material as possible for reading. You will be able to read that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, let's do till here today, right? Now just give me a minute, let me close this.
Yes.